Wait, if Pilates is such a great ab exercise, why does my neck hurt? Hey, it's Nicole from knowledgepilates.com. Okay, so first things first. Pilates shouldn't hurt your neck. If it does, then it's probably because of one of the following reasons. One reason is that your abs aren't strong enough. The truth is, the body will do whatever it takes to accomplish an exercise, even if that means recruiting the wrong muscles. So if your abs aren't strong enough, your neck muscles might take over. So incentive to take more Pilates classes and get those strong abs? Another reason might be that your neck is messed up. I mean, your neck is out of alignment. Now, for some people, due to an injury or years of bad posture, when they lie flat on the mat, their head doesn't touch the mat, it's lifted. And in those cases, you might actually need a small pillow or a cushion to place under your head just to support it. Can I use a small pillow or cushion under my head just because my neck hurts? No. No, you can't. If you can lie flat on the mat with your head touching the ground, you do not need a pillow. This isn't nap time. But seriously, if your neck is hurting and it's straining too much, put your head down. But if your head goes down, your legs go up. Head down, legs up. Head up, legs down. You get the idea. Another reason your neck might hurt? You're doing it wrong. Sometimes at the gym, you'll hear trainers tell people to think about putting a glass of water underneath their neck so they're curling up like this. Don't do that. In Pilates, you actually want to drop your chin down and move it forward. Like a turtle. Because by moving your head like this, it takes the weight of your head and moves it out of your neck and puts it into your abs. Did you know the human head weighs about 11 pounds? So instead of looking like this, it should look like this. Class dismissed.